Here at Simply Garden, with over 50 years of gardening experience, I believe in keeping things simple and productive while gardening in your own backyard.
Happy New Year, guys! I am back. I promised I would be back
Absolutely.
with you.
Here we
You've
are.
You've done a very good job,
Well,
Daddy.
we did a few things the other day. We have a raspberry, black raspberry jam recipe we're going to be putting up tonight. I mean, the recipe's done, but got to put it up. But anyways, we are really excited because it's that time of year. I did a video the other day about kind of my plans of how the process of getting the whole gardening system going
Check
for
it
the
out.
year.
That link we'll put below.
Yep, so all that's out there as far as my thinking behind what I do with all the organization to keep things simple. Remember, Simply Garden. So we're at Home Depot here.
We're at Home Depot and we're a little early.
Yeah.
Normally we go the week of my birthday, which is next week. But you called me up this week
Yeah.
and you said the seeds are out.
Yep. So we're going to start, and as you remember in my other video, I had the list. Well, the list is ready to go for 2019 up top there, as you can see. And I checked through now already to see what I have in stock from at home, from the organization, little box here, all the seeds in alphabetical order. So now we're going to go through. I want to get stuff from, a lot of stuff is burpee here, which is fine. Some stuff is ferry-morse too. Look at the names over there. And then other ones are going to buy from online, from seed catalogs.
Now you have your favorites that you
Yes, I do.
use.
Yes.
What are some of them? Gardens Alive. I use
Gardens
a lot
Alive,
for the
pear
fertilizer.
seeds, gurney. Those are pretty much the three ones I go with.
And then I enjoy like rare seeds
Baker.
and I enjoy because they do some of the heirloom.
Right.
You're the Simply Garden, get her done.
Yep.
I like to grow some of the unique stuff.
Mine is get it in, get it out, and get a lot. And get a lot. So fill the
Let's
freezer.
choose some.
So here we go. So we're going to go through the list here. I already got the beans taken care of by here, so we need beets. So we're going to find beets. And here we are right here. Which you like to get, Detroit dark red or tall top early
I think
wonder?
we did this last year and they were delicious.
They
so
were
let's
very
go
good.
ahead
So
again
let's
with
go with
that.
So I'm just going to put a little notation that we got it here. Next
So
we're going
organized.
next we get broccoli. Let's find some broccoli.
Well, I'll let you choose that because
That's not your favorite.
I don't
Yep,
need
yep.
broccoli.
Already have Waltham. So this is kind of an okay variety. I may not get to, but we definitely want the Brussels sprout. I'm jumping ahead here because
Oh,
I
the
do see it.
Catskill is good.
What you do last year?
Not that.
I didn't
And
do
we had
very
a
well.
pup-
Nope, I
yeah.
didn't like it. And so we're gonna get the Brussels sprouts. Put a little dot here. We got that. Don't forget to get broccoli on the other side. And cabbage. I may go a little too fast here, but really, it's just keep organized. Know what you want, so you can keep track of what you have. You don't waste money either.
Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly. Now, Daddy, how many years does a pack of seeds typically last?
You know, if you kept them in really good refrigeration, not refrigeration, but dry condition, you could probably get a couple of years, 3 4 years. I go for 2 because you know what? Beyond that, time is too valuable to monkey around with bad germination for the few dollars you're going to save. 2
I'm
years,
dealing with
that's
that right
it.
now at home. I'm
Yeah.
starting some seeds, and
Yep,
one of my
exactly.
lettuce hasn't even germinated yet. So
No.
I should probably get some while I'm here.
Yeah, lettuce is, which I'm going to jump that next year. You're going to find celery. Did we find celery? Oh, I have in my hand. Nope, no celery.
Right here,
There
tell
we go.
you to.
Yep, let's do that one there. That's the one I got last year. It's one I'm going to get this year.
Okay,
It did
I'll
fine.
hold on to
You hold on.
some. Yep.
Okay. Get the Brussels sprouts. Lettuce. We got all kinds of lettuce here.
Butter
I do
crunch.
I want salad bowl.
Oh yes.
And it's organic. Now, you know, the question is organic seed versus not organic. I suppose the organic seed is better.
That's what I use.
Use organic.
I only use
Well, there
organic
we go.
seeds.
We got organic salad bowl. Okay.
And we have organic beets.
There we go. Let's go to the other side and see what Burpee has going on. Okay, we gotta give him a fair shake, right? So we got beans on the end here. So what else we got in here? Okay, hold on.
Sorry, your expression's crackers.
Fair shake, yeah. All right, what's this one here?
Sun King.
Oh, this, yeah. I want a hybrid. You know, for broccoli, there's one broccoli variety I don't care for. It has like all the little leaves stuck in between the heads of broccoli. Not as good as it. You want a good hunk of broccoli, and oh boy, you know we didn't make broccoli cheddar soup. Actually, my wife is holding the camera right now, Linda. So hint, with broccoli cheddar soup.
Don't invite me over for that one.
I won't tell you what it is. We are gonna make leek potato soup. That
Yes,
is a
we
definite. Okay, so we got the broccoli. Going down the list here, we haven't hit the lettuce too heavily yet. So and then we need spinach.
Well, my favorite spinach is going to be a bloom still long standing.
Okay,
This
well-
is just, if you're not looking for a baby, which baby is great, but this is your workhorse.
Okay, let's get some. Give me 2 of those.
Got it.
2 of those babies there. Okay, here we go. We are good. You know, when I first started doing seeds, this is a hoot. So, we were newly married. Lynn, you remember this? And we would go to, was it Osco Drug, and buy the 10-cent packet seeds. I mean, my budget was probably $10 for the year. You know, now if I can get away for $300 a year, and I've gotten a little more sophisticated. We're still simple.
Yes.
But
yes.
we get a lot more. I mean, thousands and thousands of dollars of stuff here. So next, oh, wait a second. Yeah, I'm jumping ahead of myself. We still gotta get lettuce. Sunflowers. Oh my goodness, the sunflowers we had last year were just
Were these
beautiful.
the evening sun
Yes,
mix?
yes,
Right
exactly.
here.
Yeah, give me
right
a
here.
package of that,
Let's,
and then do another package. What do you think, Linda? What do you like? Go ahead and put your. How about Autumn Beauty Mix? Is that similar to that, or you want to just go straight up yellow? Ooh, busy bee sounds good. Look at the bees on it. Look at the bees. Look.
okay,
How
let's
tall
get
is-
that.
Yeah, let's do that
Let's
one
see,
there.
what is this? This is 4 to 5 feet in height.
Oh, perfect.
These are darling.
Perfect. We'll do that because we got the sunflowers taken care of. This is so much fun. Now,
That's fun.
we haven't gotten the lettuce figured out yet. Hold on, back to lettuce here.
Well, so I see this here, Dad. This is a butter crunch, which is what
Yeah.
we love, but this is a seed tape.
Yeah, that's
and,
expensive.
You know,
For $4,
not
you know
the
what?
way we're gonna grow, but this is what we're looking for.
Oh, wait a second. You know what? I'm gonna get another carnival mix because I had a hard time with peppers last year germinating. I do have some at home, but just in case they don't kick off, I'm gonna have these on hand. However, I got a little secret now. If you don't open the package up, they'll take them back.
Wait, if you don't what?
Open the package up.
What do you mean?
I'm backing up myself to make sure I have a good.
Oh, you
package
can
home.
return them.
Right,
yeah.
right. I have one at home already, but you know what? There's very few seeds left. I'm a little concerned about it germinating. So if in 2 weeks they don't germinate, I'll use this. If they germinate, I'll bring it back and save myself $2. I'm cheap.
I'm gonna go ahead and grab this one. This is a
What is
little
it?
gem lettuce.
Wait a
This is gonna
second,
be
wait a
Caesar-
second.
Well,
Let me check my list here. We have a butterhead. We already have
no.
by Baker.
Listen, this is not a this is not a butterhead. This is a Caesar. This is a romaine.
Ooh, let's do that.
But
Okay.
I want to tell you why I'm getting this one. This is a smaller head
I already
than
have
your.
it. No, wait a second.
If you have a romaine,
Nope.
yes, you have little gem.
I'm not sure it's in stock. We're going to take it.
Okay, but here's what I wanted. This is great for hydroponics.
Oh, hydroponics.
It's not going to be your huge, massive
you don't want that,
romaine.
yeah, right.
This is little, and it falls perfectly on a hydroponic system.
Okay.
So I'm going to grab that one.
Beautiful. Let's do that one. And we're going to do a hydroponic one in a couple, probably about a week.
Probably about a week. I'm waiting for some
Yeah.
seeds to finish germinating.
Okay, now, I got the salad bowl, right? Did I get salad bowl?
Yes, you got salad bowl.
All right, get a little gem.
Cucumbers.
Cucumbers.
You just
Oh,
want.
oh.
Wait, what did we grow last year? Boston.
Cucumbers.
Boston pickling, didn't we?
We got, it was Chicago picking.
Chicago.
They did very, very well
They
from
did.
Baker Seeds. But the cucumber, let's go back to cucumber here.
Well, we
Get
have some
cucumber.
down here.
Okay. All right, so next we gotta do carrots.
What about pumpkins? Do you still have sugar pumpkins, or did you like the ones that I got last year? I think that was an
I
Amish.
love the sugar pumpkin you got last year, and we need to grab that. And you get that last year from your Baker Seed.
Okay, we'll go ahead and make sure
So,
we get
so
that.
do
in there.
that, yep. And then my other pumpkins, munchkins, good munchkins, but we'll go ahead and get that.
This
What
is our. This is the radish I think you just always get. Isn't this like 21-day
Yeah,
harvest?
cherry bell, yeah.
Wonderful.
Sunday. Now I like
Last
to do.
year you did get this. That was
Yes,
fun.
yes, I did. Now something I like to do, I like to interplant radishes with carrots. So let's get ourselves a couple different carrot varieties here. I use a lot of carrots. Do you know I'm still getting carrots out of the garden?
Excuse me, what?
I'm getting carrots out of the garden.
Well, do you have any to share with your daughter and your precious
Come on
grandsons?
over. Come on over. Just pick some. We eat them all the time. They had carrots the other day.
They're so
Probably
good. They're
yeah.
good when it gets cold outside.
Oh, these are good
they
now.
get sweeter.
So long emperor, and let's do a Danvers.
Danvers.
Yeah, that's
there you
good.
go.
And then the last thing we're gonna get is, I think we got it all.
I think we got it.
Yeah.
Okay. Dad, Mom actually came up with a really good idea, and I think you need to do this. Is to sometimes sit down and describe the back of a seed packet
Just kinda
for
go
maybe
through.
somebody who's just
Yeah.
getting started with gardening. So
Yeah.
I'm gonna say it, and you're gonna be seeing that video soon,
Yeah,
Daddy.
and this is we're trying to keep things simple for people that want to just get going, get started. I appreciate those who are watching the channel and my regulars. I love talking back and forth to you. And those who are new, please subscribe, hit the bell so you get more updates. They're going to be coming at you pretty quick now because we're gearing up for the season. We're excited. And guess what? In between, we start maple tapping for maple syrup.
Yes, and we'll have more recipes too.
Yeah,
You're
more
getting me
recipes
back
coming
in the
too.
kitchen.
Yep. So we're going crazy, and we're even talking about Mom Linda here doing some recipes too. So we're a lot of ideas for you, and we appreciate your support and looking forward to see what you put out too, because we share a lot of information back and forth. So that's it.
That's it. Have a good night.
Have a great
Okay.
night.